Hello and welcome to Luminous Minds. This is Shubha before you with an all-new video in the series of Booker Prize Longlisted Books and Authors 2023. Let's take a look into the novel All the Little Bird Hearts, written by Victoria Lloyd Barlov. Victoria Lloyd Barlov is a debut novelist who has a doctorate in creative writing from the University of Kent. Like her protagonist, Sunday Forrester, in All the Little Bird Hearts, Victoria is autistic. Victoria Lloyd Barlov is officially the first autistic author nominated for the Booker. Another debut author longlisted, Lloyd Barlov is autistic and has written a very emotional story of a high-functioning autistic protagonist, a single mother whose very regimented and predictable life gets turned around with the appearance of new neighbors. Her novel, All the Little Bird Hearts, published in 2023, follows an account of one memorable summer that irreparably changed its narrator's life. Sunday Forrester, who is an autistic lady with notable peculiarities. She enjoys white food, is advised by a 1950s handbook on social etiquette, and finds comfort in a book on Sicilian folk tales. She lives in the Lake District in her old family home with her daughter Dolores, a young woman accustomed to this tedious lifestyle and in search of her independence. The book's setting, that is mid-1980s, harks to a time when knowledge of autism was less mainstream or medically understood. Into this structured world comes Vita and Rollo, a well-to-do, childless couple from London, holidaying at a nearby home. Their carefree attitude is the antithesis of everything Sunday stands for, but is also alluring. Vita is instantly attractive, inspirational to Sunday, and the befriending feels like a dream come true among many unrealized dreams for Sunday. However, as an unreliable narrator, Sunday's inability to see what is really happening around her is at the heart of the drama, as while she fawns over Vita, Dolores is also taken by the new neighbor, and the power play that arises is one she can't possibly command. Told in the first person from the perspective of Sunday, the novel is driven by a voice that is often neglected in literature, that of a neurodiverse person. Sunday is filled with doubts, regrets, guilt, and she is also filled with enormous amounts of love and trust, traits that others take advantage of. Unloved by her mother, blamed for her sister's death, and then rejected by her husband, whom she refers to as the king, none of them understood her or why she behaves the way she does. Sunday only eats white food, works with plants, and finds them relaxing. The mainstays of her life are her friend and colleague David, who is deaf, and Dolly, her daughter, together with two books, one about Sicilian folklore and the other is a 1950s book of etiquette by Edith Ogilvy. Sunday and Dolly are invited to Vita and Rollo's Friday night dinner every week, where they drink copious amounts of champagne, red wine, and port. As a name, Sunday is evocative of a quiet, dull day, and Vita represents the vitality seemingly missing from Sunday's existence. Ultimately, Vita is all artifice and ulterior motives versus Sunday's genuine, loving, and pure nature. At its heart, the novel All the Little Bird Hearts is an exploration of a mother and daughter relationship through an autistic lens. The love Sunday has for her daughter shines through, but the unaffected view of Dolores, at both an impressionable age and unable to understand her mother's predicament, ensures they are destined to drift. Birds eventually leave the nest. It may never not be a wounding, but the manner in which Sunday struggles to comprehend it is figuratively fatal. That's all with Victoria Lloyd Barlow's All the Little Bird Hearts. Thank you.